Hello everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to use ChatGPT-4 for free on your phone. First, go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Bing GPT-4 and hit enter to search for the app. Once you find the Bing GPT-4 app, tap on it to install it on your device. After the installation is complete, open the app by tapping on it. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Click on Continue to proceed. Next, you'll see an option to use GPT-4b. Turn it on to activate GPT-4. Now, you can test GPT-4 by asking it anything you want. Simply type your query and GPT-4 will respond. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use GPT-4 for free on your mobile device. With GPT-4 at your fingertips, you can enjoy the benefits of conversing with an advanced AI language model right from your phone. And if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!